So I drive a Ram 2500 with the Cummins 6.7. It didn't come with the cold weather package, so there's no cord to plug in the block heater. Prior to this truck, I drove a Ford Power Stroke with a 6-liter. I had to keep that block heater plugged in till it got about 60 degrees outside. That's plugged in most of the year. Now it's December 2023. I bought the plug for that block heater back in March of this year, about 9 months ago. Let's see if we can't get that block heater cord installed. Better late than never. So I've already got the truck pulled into the garage. Yep, the garage is the front yard. Let's get down here underneath this truck. See if we can't find the location of that block heater cord. At least where it's supposed to go. So we're looking up at the passenger side of the motor. Big silver thing, that's the oil filter. I believe this right here. Let me see, where's it at? There it goes. That black plug sticking out of the side of the motor, right in the center of the picture. I believe that's, you remove that cap and the block heater cord should screw in there. Well, this appears like it's going to be almost impossible to film. I'm going to reach up there and see if I can't unscrew that cap or pop it off. Well, I got the cap off. I can't see nothing through the camera. There he goes. Where'd he go? It's hiding back there. See that silver object over on the left-hand side of the screen? That's where I believe the block heater cord needs to plug into. I've got the front wheel turned all the way to the right. Let's see if we can't go in under the wheel well. Maybe see what I'm supposed to be doing. Yeah, right there. There's two little prongs sticking out. I believe that's the location for the block heater plug. Let's get this opened up. See what we're dealing with. Well, there's the end that's going to screw into the block. It's got these two holes for those two prongs on the side of the block, so it's only going to go in one way. And here's a plug to plug it into the wall. So I've got the camera laying up on top of the frame. Let's see if, I don't know if you'll be able to see this, but we're going to try to get this plugged in. So here's the, can you see the two holes? They're going to have to line up with those two prongs. So I'm just going to move it around, twist it a little bit till I can get it lined up. Right, I think we got that. Now I got this, I don't know, retainer ring. I'm going to slide up the cord. Get it screwed on to hold that plug in place. There we go. Well, I guarantee you the install is not near as hard as I made it look. The hard part is shooting a video of you doing it. Now just to run this plug along the frame and out the front bumper. I am going to try to snug that up just a little bit. That collar before I forget about it. Not with this, I'm not. Well, I got that about tight as I can. So far, I've zip tied that heater block cable to that wire right there. I don't even know what that wire is. And I've also zip tied it to the bottom of the power steering hose. Currently working my way to the front of the truck. All right, I think I fished it all the way out. One more zip tie, and we'll be done. So I took 2 more zip ties and just doubled that cord over itself. I don't have an ohm meter on me right now to check and be sure it's working. I'll take a look at that when I get to work in the morning. But till I need it, I'll just drop it down in there. As I mentioned earlier, that's probably not but a 10-minute install. Really simple. Hard part was trying to film it all. Well, that's how I installed my block heater cord. Well, I appreciate y'all watching this afternoon. And I'll catch y'all next time here at Diddle Do Homestead. Have a good evening, everybody.